another project team that's been working on a Grundfos challenge, tackling the solution in a completely different angle than the previous project that we heard. So please give a big hand to Sparnir.
Namaste, I am Harshvardhan Gupta and I am a master student at DTU and also a project manager in Sparnir. We are Sparnir solving water management problem in India and I come from a place in a city called Mumbai in the western coastal part of India where even after receiving heavy rainfall, we face water shortage during the non-rainy days. The city collects an average annual precipitation of around 2500 millimeters and only out of which only 8% of the rainwater is being harvested throughout the country, due to which we are exploiting the groundwater. There is a rigorous exploitation of the groundwater, which is leading to declining of around 54%. And if we go in this way, by 2030, 40% of Indian population will face water shortage. The major drawback of current rainwater harvesting system in India is its high operational and installation cost, which is around 2,700 Danish crowns. So, we Sparnir come up with a solution with an inverted umbrella model, which can be fitted on top of the pre-installed tanks on the urban households, which has a higher runoff coefficient and collects around 450 liters a day, which in the competition with 550 liters per day in urban consumption. With this device, the user can save around 130 Danish crowns per season, which comes up with a mobile application giving information about the monthly savings and the pH levels and also the amount of water he's receiving during the rain. Our solution is very rapid and also easy to implement and also very modular. So with the application, the user can get information about whether he can use for drinking purposes or he can use for cleaning clothes, cleaning utensils, and etc. So he will be less exploiting the groundwater. So we are part of a DTU entrepreneurship course where we got an exposure in DTU Skylab for this project, and it's still a concept with a long way to go ahead. So we are looking for a collaboration to work and make this project working as a proper business case, and also looking for environmental sector to contribute in this project. Thank you.
Please give a big hand to Sparnir. Questions or reflections from the panel? Fleming?
Thank you for a great presentation. In urban areas, you could also consider more centralized solutions than yours. Have you also considered to go into rural areas?
So the problem with the rural areas is that the person cannot afford this solution. So we found out that most of the requirement in the urban areas who can afford this solution, and they can benefit from that. We had a talk with the rural areas where we were planting this type of solution in their farmlands. They can collect it, but we require a large area for it, and it is not feasible in that area. So that's why we will be looking forward to more solution for this to work in the rural areas.
Other questions, reflections? Klaus?
Thank you very much. How do you see the need for further treatment of the water in order for it to be used as potable water or for any other purpose? I mean, this is a collector. So what do you see as the next step, also considering where you intend to use these structures?
So that's why we need a technician guys to work with us, because here we are only having a pH sensors who are getting the pH value of the water that we are collecting. But for that we also require to find the turbidity of the water and all other technical things for it. And yes, that's it.
Yeah, Esther.
Thanks for your presentation. Who do you see as typical clients for this project? Is this individual households, consumers, or do you also look at other types of clients?
So we were talking with the individual households where currently we are talking with 15 houses, 15 story buildings where we are going to implement our project and make a pilot, start a pilot project from there and validate our get a proof of concept from them and then go ahead with the project.
Thanks a lot for the question and comments. Thanks a lot to Sparnir. Please give a big hand.